Face-to-face is always better. I think even the clients who are on the Zoom calls, I think would rather be here if they could be, because I think just the value that you have, it's not just the one-on-one meetings, but it's the networking time and that kind of thing, that we have opportunities to spend quality time with those organizations. And you just can't get that over Zoom. You know, it's okay, but it's not the same as face-to-face. So
it's really nice to actually get the face-to-face, and you're be able to really feel the the energy in the room and the person, what they're really interested in, and feel like, and you get that next level of connection. So it's been great being on video calls for the last year and a half. It's been really refreshing.
Tremendous. In person, there's nothing like in person. Virtual has its place, and obviously we're making it work as we all go through this difficult times, but in person there's nothing like sitting with somebody for 25-30 minutes and really getting to know that individual and what their true needs are, opposed to the surface level discussions.
We prefer one-on-one meetings because you get to really see the person, talk to them, share ideas, see emotion, see passion, really get to know them and talk to them about their business and how they can help you and you can help them. My many one-on-one relationships this time was all about partnerships. What can we do to help them and what can they help to do us? So very well done and very well received.